How to buy Kindle books on Amazon. This tutorial shows you how to purchase and access ebooks directly from your computer. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. After that, sign into your Amazon account. From there, click on the search bar at the top and type in the book title or author you're looking for. At this point, press Enter to see the search results. In the next step, click on the Kindle edition of the book you want to buy. Following this, click on Buy Now with one click or Add to Cart if you'd like to review your order first. Once done, if you clicked Buy Now, the book purchase completes instantly using your saved payment method. From here, click on Manage Your Content and Devices under your account menu to see your purchased book. At this stage, this is where you can also send the book to your Kindle app or device. Keep in mind, you don't need an actual Kindle device to read the book. It works through the free Kindle app on your phone or computer as well. Finally, open the Kindle app or website to start reading your newly purchased book. And that's it. If this guide helped you buy Kindle books on Amazon, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.